that one's ripped now too. We've already got rips and we haven't even taken this shingle out completely. Once I get this shingle out, I've still got to lift this shingle one more time to hammer it down. Then I got to lift it to seal it. I got to lift this up to hammer it down, hammer in the nails, and lift it to seal it. And I'm manipulating these as well. This one's already ripped a little bit too. I mean, this roof's not repairable. For the sake of just keeping this roof how it is and not damaging it anymore, I'm gonna end the repair here until we can figure out another solution.